Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we want to find the value of x given the square root of 10 times the square root of 10 times the square root of 10 is equal to 100 raised to power x. One way to solve this will be to completely simplify the left hand side, and when we get a simplified version of what we have now, we equate it to a simplified version of the right hand side. The simplified version of the right hand side, 100 raised to power x, is 10 raised to power 2 raised to power x, which when we open the bracket becomes 10 raised to power 2x. This is the simplified version of the right hand side. Now let us work carefully to simplify the left hand side. I'm going to start with this inner 10. So I have the square root of 10, which can also be written as 10 raised to power 1 over 2. Now that I'm done with that, I'll jump on to the next 10. So I have 10 times the square root of 10, which means 10 times what we just got, which is 10 times 10 raised to power 1 over 2. 10 here is 10 raised to power 1, and then we apply a law of indices that says that we can choose one of the bases because they are exactly identical. We pick one of them and then add up the powers, which is 1 plus 1 over 2. 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, which means that 10 root 10 is equal to 10 raised to power 3 over 2. And then we can now jump on to the next radical and say square root of what we just got. So square root of this is now going to be 10 raised to power 3 over 2, then raised to power 1 over 2. And then we do what we just did here. Open up the bracket by multiplying the powers. So you have 10 raised to power 3 over 2 times 1 over 2 is 3 over 4. Remember where we stopped? We stopped at this radical. Now the next thing is to jump on to the next 10. So we are multiplying what we just got, which is 10 raised to power 3 over 4 by 10. So we say 10 times 10 raised to power 3 over 4. We apply indices. This is 10 raised to power 1. So we'll pick 10, then say raised to power 1 plus 3 over 4. This is 10 raised to power 7 over 4. Now that we are done with that, we go back to the problem and pick the last radical, which is the square root of everything that we just got. So we go ahead and say square root of 10 raised to power 7 over 4, which is same thing as saying 10 raised to power 7 over 4, then raised to power 1 over 2. This will give us 10 raised to power 7 over 4 times 1 over 2 is 7 over 8. So everything on the left hand side now simplifies to 10 raised to power 7 over 8. Then we go ahead and equate that to 10 raised to power 2x. So we have 10 raised to power 7 over 8 is equal to 10 raised to power 2x. Now there's a basic law of indices that says that when you have a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power x, as long as the bases are the same as you have it here, then the powers are also the same, meaning m is equal to x. This implies that since this is 10 and this is 10, then the power 7 over 8 is equal to 2x. Therefore, we say 2x is equal to 7 over 8. We can now solve for x by dividing through by 2, which is the same thing as saying times 1 over 2 on the right hand side, giving us x is equal to 7 times 1 here is 7, and then 8 times 2 here is 16, giving us 7/16 as our final answer. Thank you for watching.